Once upon a time, there was a thief named Raju. He lived in a small village and spent his nights stealing from people. Although he was clever, he was never truly happy. He always feared being caught. One day, Raju heard that a rich merchant had arrived in the village. The merchant stayed in a large house and carried a bag full of gold coins. Raju decided to steal the gold that very night. After dark, he quietly crept toward the merchant's house. He climbed through a window and entered a room. As he searched for the gold, he suddenly heard footsteps. Frightened, he hid behind a curtain. The merchant entered the room with a servant. The servant asked, "Sir, where should I keep your gold coins?" The merchant smiled and said, "Hide them in the old well behind the house. No thief would think to look there." Raju heard every word. He waited until everyone was asleep. Then he ran to the well. The well was full of water. Thinking gold was at the bottom, Raju spent the whole night drawing water out with buckets. He worked hard for hours. By morning, he was exhausted. Just then, the merchant appeared. He laughed and said, "Thank you, my friend. You have watered my garden all night." Raju looked around and saw that the water from the well had flowed into the merchant's dry garden. The flowers and plants looked fresh and beautiful. "But where is the gold?" Raju asked. The merchant replied, "There was never any gold in the well. I knew a thief was hiding in my room. I only wanted someone to water my garden." The thief felt ashamed. He realized that his greed has made him foolish. From that day on, Raju gave up stealing. He worked honestly and earned his living through hard work. Soon, the villagers trusted him and he became a respected man. The end of the story. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.